Okay, hello. I have taught you how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube, but now I'm going to teach you how to solve a Siamese Rubik's Cube, which is really cool. So, first, let me mix it up. Okay, so now that it's mixed up, I'm going to teach you what to do first. So, the thing about the Siamese Rubik's Cube is that the only surfaces that you can turn are right, little right, M, and up. So it's a little more difficult, but I think it's kind of easy. So the first thing you want to do, since this always stays in the same place, is match up these two things, because they will always stay. The tops can never move, so they'll always stay in the same place. So once you do that, you're going to want to solve the pseudo cross, which is it's the regular cross just minus one part of it. So let's do it. So you're going to look for the green orange piece. It's not on the top. So oh, there it is. So you're going to match it up with the green no matter where it is. And then if you bring both of those up, bring it over, it matches up. It's very, very intuitive. The yellow-orange is already solved, so now we're just going to look for the blue-orange. Okay, when it's in the top like this, you bring it up twice, and back down. So then you have the pseudo-cross. Then you're going to want to solve the corners, which is basically just like solving the corners on the Rubik's Cube, but just a little more thinky. So it's in that spot, so you're just going to want to bring it up, over, down, to in the right place. And then you do it with the others too. When you bring it down and it goes like that, you bring it up again and over, then put it in the right spot, and then bring it down. So then it's in the right place. And now getting these is a very long and difficult process of algorithms. So I'm just going to do them and then give you the algorithms in the side. Now there's two different ones depending on where it is. There's one for the going right. When you're looking at this, has to go over. See, the blue has to go this way. But then there's also where the blue piece is here and it has to move that way instead of like that. So I'll just do the algorithms and then put them in the sidebar. So there's one, and then this one's already in there in the wrong place, so you have to do an algorithm to get it out. So now it's out, and you find it, and I can't seem to find it. Where did it go? Okay, there it is. So now this is the case where it's there instead of over here. So you do a different algorithm. And it's put in the right place, and the whole first two layers are solved. So then you're going to want to look at the top. You're going to want, instead of solving the cross first, like on the 3x3, you solve the whole red side. And so you look, and you just, knowing what you have, you find pieces that are in this position, the upper right corner, and when it's a red piece, that's good to have it there. And you do this algorithm, and you look, and you have more, and they're to the front, and so you look, and you do it again. Okay, and then your ultimate goal is to get the fish. See how there's the tail, and there's the head of the fish. You bring the fish so it's pointing to your left hand, down, and oh, no red piece, so you do it, and then turn it the right way, and there is a red piece. And so once you do it one more time with the fish and the red piece, then it will solve the whole top. Now from the front, it looks like it's solved, but really it's not. See, that is something that occurs very often, where they're switched up like that. And so there's an algorithm that you do, because basically what you're doing is switching this piece here, this one here, and this one here, so that it's going in a cycle. And depending on where it is how many times you have to do it. So you do it once, and it moved the cycle one time around. And when you do it once more, it will solve it. And there you have it. So you've solved one side of your Siamese Rubik's Cube. I'm not going to go in to great detail on how to solve the next side, because I already solved this side and it's exactly the same. So I'm just going to solve it for you, just to give you the gist of what you need to do. So let's see. So I've almost got my pseudo cross. Okay, so there's the pseudo cross, and then you get the corners. There's the two corners in the right place. Then you get these. Have one of them, and then you do the next. And you've got it. And then you look for the top. There's the cross. And then you look for pieces in the front. And then I'll have the fish with the front, which is the best part. And then you solve the whole top. Then you do this algorithm, and it's solved. But when you're doing the algorithm, you're going to want to look. You have three sides that are not solved, and one that is. The one that is going to have to be to the back. It doesn't matter if it's blue or not. That doesn't matter. But just have it to the back and do the algorithm. And then it will be solved. So I hope that the Siamese Rubik's Cube was not too hard for you. Again, if you have any questions, just message me or comment me, ask me, video response me, and I will help you out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and comment and rate. Thank you.